Well, if you are a cricket fan, you'd remember the late Dean Jones's very famous remark every time someone hit a youth six. He used to say, going, going, gone. Now, however, this latest listing on Dalal Street has been growing and growing some more, at least in terms of stock price. Now, it's been 5 days since Groww listed and the stock has nearly doubled from its IPO price of $100. But how does this latest Dalal Street entrant stack up when it compared to some of its listed and unlisted peers? Now, on the revenue front, Groww's top line is lower than its peers like Angel One and Zerodha. Now, active clients for Groww are the highest for any platform and therefore it stacks well above the other two names. But when it comes to the average revenue per user or the ARPU, that is well below Angel One and even lower compared to Zerodha, whose ARPU is well above 10,000 rupees. But can Groww play catch up with its peers going forward? Now, the management expects its top line to grow between 25 to 30% and costs to grow between 15 to 20% over the next few years. Basis that, if we take a 5-year projection, Groww's revenues could go up to 14,500 crore rupees, its margins from 63% could grow up to 80%, and its net profit from the 1,800 crores currently could touch levels of 8,500 crore rupees. Now, this is an FY30 projection, assuming that Groww continues to grow at the pace that the management has guided for. Now, when we take a look at the PEG ratio or the price to earnings growth for Groww, that comes up to 1.63. Now, that is based on a 37% profit CAGR and it's based on its FY25 EPS of around 3 rupees. Now, while Groww may be lagging its peers currently on certain aspects, it has surpassed them all when it compares to its value. Now, at the highest point of the day, Groww was valued at well over 1.1 lakh crore rupees, which is nearly the sum total of Angel One, Motilal Oswal and Nuvama Wealth put together. The management spoke to us earlier and they spoke about how they plan on growing the MTF book and that the MTF business will become bigger than the personal loan business going forward. Now, with a healthy growth guidance, expansion to newer businesses, Groww's ARPUs may subsequently also see some uptick as clients in different verticals begin to increase. Now, whether that can help the company catch up with peers, only time will tell. But for now, the next major growth trigger for Groww comes on Friday when it reports its quarterly results, which will be its first after its listing. Now, that's Groww for you. It has made quite some noise in the first few days of being a public company, and the shareholders would only hope that the stock continues to hit it out of the park going forward as well.
Thank you for watching us on CNBC-TV18. For all news and updates, subscribe to our YouTube channel and watch us on all social media platforms.